good stuff. Guys, my wife and my kids think I'm very OCD with my water. Let me explain. Now, when it comes to just drinking water, I love all Ice Mountain, regardless. But when it comes to my tea, it's a different story. Let me show you. Now, you see where this came from was Pennsylvania, if you can see that. This right here is what I call my tea water because it comes from PA. Now, this one comes from Michigan. Now, this right here is not good for my tea water by any means. It's only good for drinking water. Let me explain this one. Now, later on in the video, I will show you what I mean. But the PA water, when I make my tea, doesn't make any suds. The suds is the minerals, I believe, in the water. But when I use anything besides PA, it makes all kinds of suds, and I have to use a spoon to kind of like dip it out before I put the tea in my cup and drink it. It's disgusting. Now, when we go to the store to pick up my water, I have to look for PA because I separate that out from the Michigan water. But the PA water is not easy to find. Now, normally I get my water at Walmart. I've been very lucky lately. They've been carrying the PA water. But in the last week or two, they got Michigan water. So I'm up here at Kroger's hoping to find the PA water. Now, if I could get away with it and I'm in the water aisle, I would use my cell phone to get some video. We're hoping to find some PA water. But if we can't find it, I may be stuck with the Michigan water. All right, first of all, we got to go to Lowe's. Then we head to Kroger's and see what we can see. And I give another vlog entry when we get back out. Hopefully get one inside there with the cell phone. Little Peckers, do we have a winner?
I don't even see where this one is.
I don't know. Do we have a winner?
Connecticut.
Nope, won't work.
Sure?
You never know when the cell phone videos come out or not. But just in case this one didn't work, obviously there was no Ice Mountain from PA in there. We didn't think they would be.
Tricky.
So guys, I will show you what I mean when I get home later when I make my tea. I'm going to have to make, Oh, I'm not OCD. I am not OCD. I can't even say it right.
OCD.
But when I get home, I'm going to make 2 teas tonight. I usually only have 2 teas a day. But for the experiment of this video, I will make 2. And I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to use the Michigan one. Then I'm going to use the PA one. So we'll see you later tonight. Okay, it's time to show you what I'm talking about. Why they say I'm OCD. And none of them believe me. They all say the water's the same. But no, it's not. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, here goes the Michigan water, okay? When I go to make my tea, I just pour it right on in there. Turn the heat up high. And I will see you guys in about maybe 8 minutes from now. I swish my tea, I brew it. 5 minutes back and forth with the tea bags, yes. And it takes about 3 minutes for the water to come to almost a boil. God, Mike, amateur videos. I'll see you guys in about 7 to 8 minutes. By the way, the tea I use is black Lipton tea. So just in case any of you guys are wondering, it isn't the tea that causes the suds. It's the water. Trust me. Now, as you guys can see, you see all the suds around on the sides, like right down in there? That's what I'm talking about. I believe that's the minerals. The Michigan water, and I think, what is it, Connecticut water?
Pennsylvania.
Or, well, no, the Pennsylvania's good. Oh. The Michigan water and Connecticut water, they all have the suds. See, look at that. That is gross to me. That's disgusting. Now, when I do the PA, you're going to see the suds are not there. In the beginning, it starts off with little suds, but they evaporate. This doesn't ever evaporate. None at all. Now, this is what I'm talking about. Look at this. Look at this crap right here. That's disgusting. Okay, now the PA water. Turn it up to high. And we got about 3 more minutes. This is just about to boil. I did look this up online, and it says the suds and stuff is caused by the minerals in the water, which is surprising to me. Depending on what state they come from, one has a lot of minerals, and then the P has very little, if any at all. I don't want to think that I'm getting Ice Mountain that's been filtered. I like to think it's all spring. It tastes the same. Cold. Well, kind of. I tell everybody, I can tell the difference. I can. As a matter of fact, that might be another thing I might make a video on, to see if I really could taste the difference between 2 cold waters, one from PA and one from Michigan. And maybe throw a Connecticut in there. I bet you I can. But anyway, guys, this is almost ready for me to add my sugar and my tea bags too, and I will see you in 5 minutes. Remember, I switched the tea bags back and forth. I brew them for 5 minutes exactly. I know. No, I'm not OCD. Now, as you can see, this is the PA water. It's just about done. Tea's just about done. There's hardly no suds in there whatsoever. It's very, very delicious looking and something I want to drink. I use the same amount of sugar. I use the same amount of sugar and the same amount of spring water, 1 whole bottle, and that's what happens.
OCD much?
Nope. Basically, more than likely, one has more minerals than the other. And that's the one that has the most minerals is the ones that's sudding up. I think that's gross. Does it really change the taste of the tea? Kind of slightly, to me it does. But I don't like to look at that stuff. It's disgusting to me. Now, when I use the PA water, it's crystal clean. And yes, I still believe when both waters are ice cold, I can tell you which one comes from Michigan, which one comes from PA. I may do that video yet. And I will want to do that. I may want to do that demonstration just so I can prove my family wrong. They don't think I can. They say I'm way OCD on this. But there you go. There's the video, guys. Definitely leave me comments down there. And yes, I know it might be ridiculous stirring that up for 5 minutes straight, but come on. It's the way I like to do my tea. But seriously, there is a difference in Ice Mountain water. And just to set the record straight, Ice Mountain water is my favorite spring water of all. I will not have any other spring water but that. Just saying. Until next time, come on, let's get out of here. We'll see you on an adventure maybe. Or low-key.